In this video, we will introduce ourselves to the law of demand and related concepts. The law of demand states that the quantity demanded of a good shows an inverse relationship with the price of a good when other factors are held constant, that is, ceteris paribus. It means that as the price increases, demand decreases, and when price decreases, demand increases. Law of demand explains consumer choice behavior when the price changes in the market, assuming other factors affecting demand being constant. When the price of a good rises, it leads to a fall in the demand of that good. This is the natural consumer choice behavior. It happens because a consumer hesitates to spend more for the good and wish to buy more with less spending. The law of demand is a fundamental principle in microeconomics. It is used together with the law of supply to determine the efficient allocation of resources in an economy and find the optimal price and quantity of goods and services. Now, functional notation of law of demand. The relationship between demand and price as described by the law of demand can be written in the functional form as shown on the screen. It is known as demand function. Here D is demand and D is a function of P, which is price. D is dependent variable and P is an independent variable. That means demand is dependent upon price or demand changes as price changes. Tabular representation of the law. If the relationship between demand and price is shown in tabular form, then it is known as demand schedule. It can be seen that as price of good X increases from 1 to 4, its demand decreases from 4 to 1. Now, graphical presentation of the law. If the relationship between price and demand is shown in a graphical form, it is known as demand curve. We can draw a graph to represent the law of demand as shown on the screen. On x-axis or horizontal axis, we have taken quantity demanded, and on y-axis or vertical axis, we are measuring prices. Therefore, all the points in the quadrant show a relationship between what we are measuring on x-axis and y-axis, that is, quantity and prices respectively. O denotes origin or zero value. Point A on the graph indicates quantity demanded is OQ1 at price OP1. Similarly, point B indicates quantity demanded is OQ2 at price OP2. And similarly, point C indicates quantity demanded is OQ3 at price OP3. By adding up all these points, which represent units of a good that consumers are willing to buy at different prices, we can describe a demand curve, which is shown as a blue line connecting points A, B and C. It is always downward sloping. The negative slope of demand curve shows that as price falls, quantity increases and vice versa. This is nothing but the law of demand. So this demand curve indicates what the law of demand states. This was a graphical representation of the law. Now let us understand the assumptions of the law of demand. Law of demand holds good when other things remain the same. It means factors influencing demand other than own price of the commodity are assumed to be constant. These may be called the assumptions of this law. The assumptions are: number 1, there is no change in the price of related goods. Number 2, there is no change in the income of consumer. Number 3, there is no change in the size and composition of the population. Number 4, there is no change in consumers' tastes and preferences. And number 5, there is no change in future expectations of consumers. Only if these assumptions are fulfilled, the law of demand will hold good. For example, if we do not assume income to be constant, then in case of increase in income, a consumer will automatically demand more even if prices of goods are increasing. But such a behavior on the part of a consumer will invalidate our law because he would be buying more when prices are increasing. Similarly, if prices of related goods are not assumed constant, any change in them is going to change the demand of a good in concern, even if the own price of that good does not change. This again would invalidate our law. Therefore, assumptions play an important role in holding good an economic law such as law of demand. This is all about this video.